Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you find this recipe interesting enough to subscribe, to come back and check out more of what I have to share. So come on and join me in making some pumpkin, pecan, or walnut waffles. No cane sugar, clean ingredients, and I just thought, why not share this? And that pumpkin right there mixture, I shared the link below as well as the recipe so that you can have that delicious, I guess you can say seasoning in your waffles. And as you can see, I am mixing up my dry ingredients, and I love using these eggs. They're the best on the market unless you have your own hens. And I mix those in, and I use avocado oil because it's safer. And guess what's in that? That's walnut milk, where I'm putting my wet ingredients in. If you haven't tried walnut milk, you need to try it. It is going to change your recipe on another level. It is so delicious that way instead of dairy. And so I'm getting that all mixed up, getting my dry and wet ingredients mixed up. And y'all, this smells so good with the cinnamon and a hint of nutmeg and the vanilla. And of course, the walnut milk is going to give it another blast of flavor and smell, if I can talk. But come back, y'all. I'm going to make some waffle cones because if you miss my coconut cream and chocolate cream, coconut ice cream, I got to make some waffles that will take that to another level. But back to my waffles. So I'm spraying my device here, my waffle maker, with the avocado oil, getting my pecans and part of my mixture here. And like I said, it smells so doggone good. And so I just want to get that poured in. And I do like my walnuts and pecans a little chunky. So you got to make sure you spread it in there right so that the waffle maker can close properly. And because you want to get a nice bite of the pecans and walnuts. And look at that. And the smell. So let's make a walnut one. As you can see, the walnuts are a little bit more chunkier, but it works. It does work. And so you'll see, look at that. And the smell, y'all. It smells like the holidays, y'all. So let me get this plated up. I did make one with pecans and a little bit of walnuts in it. I call it my nutty, if I could talk again, waffle. But I'm adding some warm syrup. That maple syrup is so delicious. And paired up with my eggs, y'all. Look at that. It's so doggone good. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments. It turns out so delicious. Bon appetit.